Most people miss this when buying hosting. If you're looking for a working Hostinger coupon code, this will help you avoid overpaying. Hostinger is currently giving discounts across all of its plans, and if you go through my link in the description or use the QR code on screen, you'll get an extra 20% off, plus 3 months. In this quick Hostinger review, what makes it popular is how smooth everything runs. You get reliable speed, a free domain, free SSL, automatic backups, light speed optimization, and the Hostinger website builder, which helps you set up a site in minutes. If prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. When you look at performance and ease of use together, Hostinger is often chosen as one of the best web hosting options. So if you want the latest Hostinger coupon code with 20% extra savings, just tap the link below or scan the QR code.